guys, today we are here fishing at Juno pier. We're getting the shrimp ready. I saw a huge manta ray. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, so I don't know if he'll catch anything. I don't know if he will. I'm getting the shrimp ready to get prepared to drop. Saw a bunch of bait fish, but they just are gone now. Hopefully the shrimp can get us something to bite. We'll let you know. We have finally got some bait. Small blue runner.
No, I just swallowed it, you see?
I knew. You have to cut the line off?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah,
okay, we just hooked onto something massive. We don't know what it is. You got it? He's pulling a drag. Think it's a grouper? I know. Hooked onto something big on the blue runner. I think you need to start heading towards where it is. Here. We're thinking it's coming up. Yep. I think it's coming up by now. I'm keeping an eye on the surface. Keep an eye on the surface on YouTube. He's probably coming up now. Start reeling. He's close now. We don't want him to get further. You're doing a great job, Daddy. I would probably got dragged off the pier by now. I hear splashing. Is that it? He's tired out by now. You should be reeling him in about 5 minutes, maybe. You should get him. Guys, I'm not even kidding. Earlier today, I said, before we leave, we better catch a big fish, like a keeper. And what have we caught? A keeper. If we don't secure this fish. Huh? What's up? Got this, Daddy.
Huh? It was a
blue runner.
Size dead blue runner. Something. Thought it could be a shark. Pulling me off right now.
Maybe a big kingfish or something. No, probably not.
What line do you have on?
I want to say that's 60-pound braid.
Okay, nice.
Now he's not pulling as much. Now he's tired. Now this is where he can reel.
He's catching his breath. That's a good knot, shit.
Hasn't this fight been going on for like 5 minutes, Daddy? Well, maybe 7.